AI video generation has officially gotten out of hand. But if you're still firing blind prompts into AI models, waiting forever, and praying you don't get some mutated mess, you're just burning your budget on failed renders. So stop. Today, I'm showing you the zero-waste pipeline using Topview AI. We'll generate a flawless 9-panel storyboard with GPT-Image 2, locking in perfect character consistency before we spend a single second rendering video. And we're doing it on Topview's brand new Ultra plan, which right now bundles in a full year of GPT-Image 2 plus 30 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0, making it the most cost-efficient scaling tool on the market. Let's head over to the dashboard and build it from scratch. Alright, here we are looking at the Topview AI interface. This section right here is their video agent, specifically version 2. As you can see, this is powered by Seedance 2.0. Moving on, we have the Drama Studio. Here, you have the option to directly upload a script or even an entire novel. Short dramas are currently highly trending on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, so this is an excellent tool for producing that style of content. You have the flexibility to create a single episode or develop a complete multi-part series. Now, allow me to demonstrate the video generation capabilities. I will open the text-to-video tool so you can see all the available models. For instance, we have Gemini OmniFlash, which was recently launched and is highly effective. There are numerous other models available here as well, providing a vast range of options. However, the primary feature I want to focus on in today's tutorial, and it is a remarkably powerful one, is their newly launched Storyboard tool. This is powered by GPT-Image 2, and you can also utilize Nano 2 here. The major advantage of this workflow is cost efficiency. By utilizing this tool, you can generate an entire story using a minimal amount of credits. All you need to do is provide your narrative, and it will automatically generate a complete storyboard for just 0.8 credits. I have already prepared an example, so let me open it and play it for you.
Papa.
As you can see, by establishing the storyboard first, we gain much more control before rendering, which means fewer failed generations and significantly lower token waste. Let me demonstrate this process practically. First, you can upload reference images directly from your computer, or if you have already generated character images within Topview, you can easily select them from your board. Next, simply paste your story directly into the text box. This allows the AI to construct the storyboard based on your specific narrative. I will set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and ensure GPT-Image 2 is selected as the model. For the resolution, I will select 2K. If you drop the resolution down to 1K, it consumes even fewer credits, just 0.2 credits. But I will stick with 2K for this demonstration. I will leave the number of key moments set to 9, though you can customize this based on how many frames you require or select auto. Finally, I will set the total duration to 60 seconds to create a full 1-minute story and click Generate Storyboard. The process has initiated. The AI is now analyzing the story to structure the visual board. This storyboard-first approach is essentially the most cost-efficient way to use Seedance 2.0, as it is built specifically for creators generating content at scale to ensure the lowest effective cost per video. Our storyboard is now ready. Below each frame, you will notice detailed directions explaining the action, alongside the specific duration for each shot. What you need to do next is download this storyboard file and return to the home screen. Open the Video Agent V2 once again. Click on Reference and upload the storyboard we just downloaded. In the prompt box, you only need to provide a single, simple instruction. Generate a video using this storyboard. Then, type the @ symbol and select your uploaded storyboard file. Make sure to select your generation model. I will choose Seedance 2.0 Fast. Once you have reviewed your settings, hit Enter. The video agent will now analyze your storyboard and logically plan out the video structure. As you can see, it has divided our story into 4 distinct 15-second scenes, totaling 1 minute. The detailed prompts for each scene are fully prepared. I will click Use Prompt to move these to the timeline, and then select Enhance All to ensure the prompts are perfectly optimized for the best possible output. Always review your settings one last time to prevent any errors. Now click Start Generation. This will take a brief moment to process. By finalizing the visuals in the storyboard phase first, we completely avoid wasting tokens on bad renders directly inside Seedance 2.0, guaranteeing a higher success rate. Our video segments are now complete and automatically arranged in the timeline. Let me play the final result for you.
Just one more gear and we're ready for takeoff, Spark. There. The power source is locked in. We did it! It's actually coming to life! No, please stay together! Just a few more seconds! It's over. Everything is gone. I have nothing left to give. He hasn't given up on us yet. Steady now, Spark. We're making it stronger this time. Almost there. And... got it! We did it, buddy! Look at it go!
Look at that result. We successfully generated a long-form story while maintaining perfect character consistency throughout the entire runtime. Let me highlight a few additional features available in the editor. If you look between the clips, you have options to extend clip if you want to lengthen a specific scene, or generate new clip if you need a seamless transition between two existing parts. Furthermore, if you notice any issues, you can click Fix Video Errors at the top. This tool analyzes the clip, allowing you to select specific areas that need repair. You can use their pre-made commands to fix hands or remove elements, or you can provide custom edit instructions to get the exact fix you need. Once you are satisfied, simply click Repair this shot. When your project is finalized, you can easily export it. You have the flexibility to export individual segments or the full compiled video ad directly to your system. Finally, let's take a look at their pricing plans, which are currently offering some massive discounts. If you look at the Ultra plan, it is incredibly valuable for creators. It gives you priority processing, and you receive 30 days of completely freehand unlimited generations for Seedance 2.0. Additionally, you get access to GPT-Image 2 and Nano Banana 2 completely free for an entire year, even in business plan. I hope you found this tutorial valuable. The link is available down in the description, so make sure to click it and take advantage of Topview AI and start your content creation journey without any hesitation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.